Hey everyone! After my parents dropped me off in Singapore, they went on a short trip to Taipei, Taiwan, for 2 days. I'm here to narrate the adventure and share some fun facts along the way. If you enjoy travel content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite spot in Taipei, or one you'd love to visit. And don't miss our other videos, including my own experience in Taiwan during my well-being weekend. My parents flew in with EVA Air, arriving at Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport. Once they got to the city, they bought a 48-hour Taipei Metro Pass at the station. When I visited, I got the 72-hour pass plus a round-trip Taoyuan Airport MRT card, which was more expensive. So if you're not planning to return to the airport via metro, don't bother with the airport line card. Just take an Uber or taxi instead. Of course, their first stop was the iconic Taipei 101 to catch those amazing city views. Because they were visiting during the New Year holidays, there were festive treats and even red packets being handed out at the top. The standard ticket price was 600 NTD, giving you access to floor 88 to 91. A premium ticket was 980 NTD and also included floor 101 for 1 hour. If you're a student, be sure to check for discounts at the front desk. When I visited, we didn't go up, we just explored the Taipei 101 mall, and there's a Din Tai Fung at the base of the tower too. A side tip to avoid waiting in long lines and paying with cash for the original Din Tai Fung, I recommend ordering for pickup or delivery. That way you can pay with credit card. Many local spots in Taipei are cash only, so be sure to carry some on you.
This is a view of Taipei 101 from Taiwan.
Next up, the famous Chiang Kai-Shek Memorial Hall. And yes, entrance is free. This historic site plays a major role in Taiwan's path to modern democracy. There's also a museum and a gift shop on site. My parents always make it a point to visit a temple wherever they go. So naturally, they stop by Longshan Temple, one of the oldest temples in Taiwan, known for its Buddhist and Taoist deities and beautiful traditional architecture. Later, they headed to the lively Ximending shopping district to try the famous Tang flame torch brown sugar boba milk tea. I've tried it too. It was pretty good, though maybe a little overhyped in my opinion.
It was a vision of Chinese culture. The founding store of Xing.
They stayed at the Metropolitan Premier Taipei Hotel, which has a Japanese-style design. Sounds super cozy. They started day 2 with a visit to the National Palace Museum. The tickets cost 350 NTD per person. There's no direct train stop here, so you'll need to take a bus or Uber to get there.
There's a bride and they're getting married here. This is all the way on the top. No, that's it. No.
This place holds over 700,000 Chinese imperial artifacts, making it one of the largest museums in the world. They ended the day at Aquatic Development, an upscale seafood market that's part market, part gourmet food court. It's super clean, no fishy smell at all, and offers a variety of fresh, high-quality seafood in several stylish dining areas. Again, many spots here are cash only, so plan ahead.
What's that? Oh, wow.
One of them roughly like $13,000. But with chili crab, that's all you need to eat for that food.
Huh? Per pound?
That waffle is like $1,300. This one about $400. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
But that's why we have we talk about like
And that wraps up the 2-day trip to Taipei. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more unique travel stories and leave a comment below. Would you visit any of these places or have you already been? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.